The first flight journey we take is always exciting. You will be flying thousands of feet above the ground, and this thought alone gives you the thrill. If you have company on your first flight, that's great. You are sorted. If not, don't worry. This video has been made specifically for you. Right from entering the airport terminal, boarding a flight, to arrival and exit, we are going to take you through every stage and every step. By the end of this video, you will be all set to step up your airport game. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and do like, share and comment below. Let us know which video you'd like us to create next. Now let's get back to our video and get started. First time flyers, all you need to know guide. Number 1. Always reach the airport on time. Oh well, I'll not say on time, but super well in advance. The general thumb rule is to reach the airport at least a couple of hours before your departure time if it is a domestic flight, and 3 hours before your departure time if it is an international flight. You must have often seen your parents reach the airport super well in advance, and we need to learn this from them. The flight is not a local bus that will stop for you. If your flight departs, it's gone. If the check-in counter is shut, it's gone, and you'd be left at the airport running from pillar to post. You'll end up in the no-show category, and chances are that your booked return flight might also get cancelled as well because it is part of the same ticket. So manage your work and plan your trip to the airport accordingly, keeping everything in mind, including traffic and also the amount of time it takes to say bye to our loved ones. Number 2. Pack light, pack right. The most common mistake people make is that they pack too much, and this often results in you paying extra for overweight luggage. All airlines have certain rules for domestic and international luggage allowance, and it's mentioned on your air ticket too. If it isn't, then make sure you call your Veena World travel advisor or call the airline reservation office or go to their website. Make sure to check it before you pack your things and abide by the baggage guidelines. There is no thoda or allow corona when it comes to checking in your baggage. Carry only essentials. Check the weather of the place before you start packing, because this will help you figure out what kind of clothes and essentials you are going to need. Number 3. When you reach the airport. For first timers, airports can seem like a maze. Major cities have large airports like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport at Mumbai, Changi Airport in Singapore, or Heathrow for instance. One thing that you need to wear with pride when flying for the first time is confidence. Don't worry, everything is going to be easy. Just worry less. That'll help a lot. Let's have a look at how you can do that. Ask for help. If you are confused, don't hesitate in asking for help. You'll surely be guided in the right direction. Keep your ticket and official ID, which may be your Aadhaar card or your passport, and documents handy. You will have to show this at the entrance to get in. Make sure to keep the necessary apps on your phone as well. For example, often you need the Arogya Setu app at most airports in India. Boarding pass. After verification and at check-in, you will be issued a boarding pass. Please take care of this, like that precious ring on your hand, up until you board the plane, because this is basically your ticket to get onto the plane. Security check. Read the baggage guidelines thoroughly of the airlines you'll be flying in, or be ready to say goodbye to a thing or more if your luggage doesn't meet the rules. There is check-in luggage and there is carry-on luggage. There are certain things you cannot have on carry-on luggage, and there are certain things you cannot have in check-in luggage. We'll make another video to tell you about check-in luggage and carry-on luggage another time, but remember to read the rules. Otherwise, you will have to throw a thing or two out of your bag. Once your screening is over and you get a green signal, pick up your luggage and head towards the waiting lounge or the gate if it's a domestic flight. If it's an international flight, you have to also clear immigration. If you have to clear immigration, for international travelers, you need to go to the immigrations section. Meet the immigration officer, hand over your passport and get your passport stamped. The immigration officer may ask you a few questions, but don't worry. Like we said, confidence is key and you can get through immigration easily. Once you're done with that, move towards your waiting lounge or the gate. Web check-in. Certain airlines or almost all airlines provide web check-in facility to its travelers. To reduce your activity at the airport, you can complete your web check-in 48 hours to 1 hour prior to your departure time. You can confirm your presence on the flight and also print your boarding pass. But also remember, many airports in India still need a printed copy of the boarding pass if you have done your web check-in. So you can't just take your boarding pass on your phone and reach the gate. Let's come to number 4. Get comfortable on your flight. Now that you're on the flight, you don't have to struggle as much for seat numbers, as the seat numbers are on your boarding pass and they are pretty clear. So look out for your seat and get comfortable. Put your luggage in the compartment above or in the seat in front of you or below the seat in front of you. If it is a small bag, yes, you can keep it under your seat. Put your seat belt on, listen to the instructions given by the cabin crew, and have a great time on your flight. Once your flight, some quick tips for your in-flight experience. Always stay hydrated to avoid feeling tired. Don't panic in case of turbulence. Follow the instructions of the flight crew. Dress comfortably, especially on long-haul flights, because you don't want to be sitting there in super tight jeans or super tight tops and just being uncomfortable for 10 hours on air. Sometimes the airlines provide food. Sometimes if you're on a low-cost carrier like Go Air or Indigo, you have to purchase food. But if you're carrying your own food, we would recommend that please carry dry snacks. You cannot open hot curry food in an airline, and because the smell goes through the entire cabin and it might inconvenience the other passengers too. Bring in earplugs or headphones to just cancel out the airplane noise. Keep your travel pillow handy. Be a good flyer. Make sure you are not the reason for someone else's discomfort. A final tip is that once you reach the destination, do not get up immediately as soon as your plane lands. Let the crew give instructions, and in the times of social distancing, please only get up from your seat once the row in front of you has started moving out. Number 5. When you reach your destination. If it's a domestic flight, you simply pick up your luggage from the baggage belt and exit. But if it's an international flight, you will first have to pass immigration, then pick up your luggage from the baggage carousel, and then clear customs, and then you can exit. That's all. It's not as scary as you think. Confidence is key, and you are going to nail your first flight experience. Enjoy your destination and head back home safely. If there's anything more you'd like to know, our travel advisors are always happy to assess on our toll-free number 1800-227979. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.